In today's video, we're reviewing a pair of athletic sneakers that has gained a lot of attention for their lightweight design and all-day comfort, the Skechers Trax Skloric. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly everyday shoe or something reliable for light workouts, this model might just be what you're after. Let's dive into it. 1. Design and build quality. Show close-up shots of the upper, laces, sole, and logo. The Skechers Trax Skloric features a clean, minimal design. The upper is made of a breathable mesh fabric combined with synthetic overlays that provide light support without adding bulk. It has a lace-up front for a secure fit and a padded collar and tongue for additional comfort. The design is clearly geared toward casual and active use, and the neutral color schemes make them versatile for different outfits and settings. Key details. Mesh fabric upper for breathability. Synthetic overlay panels for durability. Lightweight shock-absorbing midsole. Flexible rubber traction outsole. 2. Comfort and fit. Insert clips of someone putting them on, walking, standing. This is where the Trax Skloric really shines. The first thing you'll notice when you put them on is how light they feel. These shoes weigh almost nothing and yet provide a surprising amount of support and cushioning. The memory foam insole adapts well to your foot, offering good step-in comfort. It's not too soft, so you don't feel like you're sinking, but it's cushioned enough for long periods of standing or walking. For those with wider feet, Skechers also offers this model in a wide-fit version, which is a huge plus, especially for people who struggle with standard narrow sneakers. 3. Performance in daily use. Footage of someone walking on different surfaces, indoors, sidewalk, gym. I've tested these shoes across a range of environments, daily errands, treadmill sessions, and long walks in the city. They held up very well. The rubber outsole provides good grip on smooth and slightly rough surfaces. However, I wouldn't recommend them for hiking or rough terrain. These are not trail shoes. One detail to note is the mesh upper. While it helps with ventilation, it may not offer the best durability if you're hard on your shoes. After a couple of weeks, you might start to see some signs of wear if you're using them heavily outdoors. 4. Pros and cons. Pros. Very lightweight, easy to wear all day. Comfortable memory foam insole. Good value for the price, typically under $70. Breathable and flexible. Available in wide sizes. Cons. Limited arch support, might not suit those with high arches. Mesh may wear out quicker than leather or synthetic uppers. Not suitable for rugged use or heavy-duty workouts. 5. Who should buy these? Scene: person at a standing desk, then walking in a park. The Skechers Trax Skloric is ideal for anyone looking for a reliable, comfortable sneaker for everyday wear, work, or light gym activities. They're especially great for retail or office workers who are on their feet all day, or for anyone looking for an affordable walking shoe. If you have specific support needs or plan to use your shoes for running or hiking, you might want to explore more performance-oriented options. But for general comfort, casual wear, and affordability, these deliver excellent value. 6. Final thoughts. Show the shoes on foot, walking away from the camera. To wrap things up, the Skechers Trax Skloric is a solid all-around sneaker that balances comfort, weight, and price. It's not trying to be a premium performance shoe, but for under $70, it does exactly what it promises, delivers reliable comfort in a stylish, breathable package. If you're considering these, go true to size unless you usually buy wide shoes, then go with the wide fit. 7. Outro. Thanks for watching. If this review helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more hands-on reviews. Drop your questions or personal experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear how the Trax Skloric worked out for you.